Okay, here is another cooking video for you guys. This will be the second one on the roster. It's all, I think, Korean food. I'm not specifically sure if it's just Korean or not, but we're gonna go upstairs. My dad has already started making it. He's gonna help me today, and let's go. Okay, Dad, what are we making?
What are they called? The
Pork dumplings.
Yeah, pork dumplings.
And
Japchae?
Japchae.
Japchae?
We think we say that right.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I said it right. I saw it on Joanna Gaines, and I thought, that would be easy. And Allie said, no, Dad.
Joanna Gaines probably just makes it look easy.
But I'm kind of proving her, I got all the mixture for the dumplings already made.
What's in that?
Pork, fresh ginger, just went to the store and got it. Cabbage, I didn't have Napa cabbage, so I just used regular cabbage. And then chives and what is that called? White pepper.
Okay.
So that's it.
And that's what goes inside of these, which is wonton wrappers, but we're making dumplings with them.
Yeah.
Okay, now what's next?
I'm gonna cut up let's see, I got the spinach for the Japchae. Mushrooms are already cut. I gotta cut up carrots and I gotta cut up onion.
Okay.
And then when it's time, I'll start getting those ready. But we could probably start wrapping these because you can kind of keep them in the refrigerator until we're ready to do that.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, Dad, go ahead. Wait, they're not circles.
That's why it's gonna be a little different.
Okay. Usually you get ones that are circles, but we're trying squares because
That's all they had.
all they had at Hy-Vee in Castle.
It's probably a little bit more than a tablespoon.
That's just water he has in the bowl. And he's finger painting now. These kind of looking like Doritos. That's how you're gonna do it? Okay, I'm gonna try next. Okay, now it's my turn. Whoa, these are weird.
Just have to do two sides.
I'm doing all four.
looks like you beat me, so you get to do them all. Thanks.
No, I didn't beat you.
Yep.
It's not even done yet.
Looks awesome. Way better than
You're lying.
your dad's. So. Yep. Perfect.
It's open in the back.
Did you squish it too much?
I guess.
All right, keep going. There's only 100 left.
Whatever.
Or 50.
You gotta turn this on to.
When she was pouring it in, it was coming out the back and all over the counter.
Yeah, I got that too.
There.
Stirring.
Yeah, you can stir it in.